What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add transition between videos in Filmora 14. So the first thing that you need to do is to bring two videos to the timeline, like so. So for example, for this tutorial, let's use these videos to create a transition between them. So to put a transition between them, all you have to do is to select them. Then you're going to go to transition, and here you can choose from a variety of transition. For this tutorial I'm going to choose the flash one. So now you want to click on the transition that you want to use and you want to drag it between the clips. As you can see, now we have a transition, so let's see how it looks. Also, you can modify the duration of it, so let's make it longer, like so. And also you can modify the transition mode. You can add it as a prefix, overlap, or postfix. Let's see how it looks on the prefix. It looks something like this. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.